Can you believe there's a full-size walk-in greenhouse in this box? You don't even need any tools to put it together. Can't wait to get started. So here's the finished greenhouse. It looks absolutely fantastic. Can't believe how much room there is, and it was super easy to build. Took the two of us about half an hour. We took our time, but very simple. We didn't even need any tools. Now we've actually got it on a hard surface. If you put it on the grass, which you could do, it does come with the hooks and you get the cable ties as well. And you have got the door and the windows for ventilation. Let me take you inside. All of these plants need protecting from the frost. So I've got things like geraniums, I have got petunias. Over here, I've got my tomatoes that I grew from plug plants from YouGarden. Strawberries, they don't need protection, but I know they're going to come on a little bit faster in here. And behind me, I have got one of the citrus trees, and it's a little bit early to put it outside, so it's just getting that extra protection in the greenhouse. And then on the bottom, I've got all my gardening essentials, my heavy-duty pots, I've got a bag of compost that's weighing the greenhouse down, my blooming fast, and of course, my sprush. Cannot believe how much room there is in here and how hot the greenhouse actually is. Having a greenhouse is an absolute gardening game changer. You don't need a lot of space or a big budget. This is only about 1.5 meters square, but it allows you to grow from seed, to grow from plug plants, to protect your plants in the winter. And inevitably, it can save you a huge amount of money over many, many years. Do you know, it's also a lot of fun. On a bad day, you can hide in the greenhouse, you can potter and get your planting done, and great for storage as well. All of your hard goods, like your compost and your heavy-duty pots, can be securely stored in here. So yes, having a greenhouse is magical, and you don't need a huge amount of space or a huge budget.